be teaching you how to make these beautiful flowers that you can see here. Okay, all right, so we're needing some materials to make these ones, the star one especially. 4 cut out circles. We have our scissors over there, then our gum, our needle and thread, and also I'll be showing us the stone I'll be using. All right, okay, so quickly you fold one into 2. The rough part should face you and the shiny part will be out. Then you fold it into another 2 and then begin to knot the edge, the open edge part of it. Okay, so you have to knot it first. I haven't knotted it, then you begin to do your running stitch. Okay, so over here I've already knotted that edge, and right now I'll be doing a running stitch from that same point to the other end of this first circle I've already folded. Alright, so just look very keenly. You can see the shape is coming out. That's the shape I actually showed you in the first place. Alright, so trimming off the excess free materials. I'm trimming them out, and from what you can see here, I'm trying to be careful. Don't cut your thread while trimming. It makes your work neat when you trim your work. Okay, so I've done that, and then I'll take the second circle. Now I won't have to knot the second one. I'll just continue from where I stopped. Okay, I'll just continue from where I stopped between the running stitch. You don't have to knot it so that you're able to draw it out. So do the same thing for the second, the third, and the fourth circle. Alright, so I've done that already, and as you can see my star shape is out. So when I got to the last one, I actually drew it out and it gave me this star shape. So I'm going to be knotting them together and tacking them together, so come together. And I haven't tacked it together. I'll have to also trim out excess part. You can see how neat the center point is. Okay, so I've successfully tacked them. I'm still trimming out any frame material. Then I'm going to be adding my stone. Okay, you can see the stones are in the market. Just buy one and begin to use for as long as you want. So I will be using these stones. Okay, now for that one. Now the second design, I'm going to be working on a bigger circle than the first one. You can use any material, any circle shape you want to cut out your own. Now just start from any point and begin to do a running stitch round to the other end of the material. Alright, so I'll be doing the running stitch round. So while I'm doing the running stitch, I have to also trim if there's any form of excess fray out of the material. I have to trim it out. Okay, so I'm doing the running stitch continually. I'm doing it round to the end of the circle. The shiny part should be outside and the rough part should be inside. Then you knot at one end. Before you knot, you have to draw it out. This is a running stitch. Okay, so you draw it and begin to spread it to form this particular shape. Alright, so you spread it the way you are seeing it now, and trim the excess fray part and attach your stone for decorating. This is what we have here. You can use it to anything you're doing, your clothes, beautiful designs out there. Thank you so much.